The Philippine National Police mourns the tragic loss of Police Colonel Pergentino N. Malabed. He is the Chief of the Supply Management Division who was among those on board the American Airlines flight that collided mid-air with the U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter near Reagan National Airport in Washington, D.C. and crashed in the Potomac River on Wednesday night. Meron po silang Foreign Travel Authority upang pumunta sa India actually po upang for pre-delivery inspection po ng 2,675 na best po na bibilhin ng PNP. Siya po ay nakarating sa India noong January 22 from Manila to India at dumating din po siya noong same day. Ang ginawa po nila doon, napag-alaman po natin sa ating Foreign Liaison Division, na out of the 2,675, nag-test po sila doon ng 6. Yung isa po doon is iniwan nila sa India at yung 5 po is dadalhin nila doon siya po ng kumpanyang ito sa USA kung saan nila gagawin yung further testing po. So, ang usapan po nila, dahil para medyo resources ang pinag-uusapan, instruction po sa kanila ng Director ng Logistics na mag-courtesy call or mag-exit call si Colonel Malabed po kay Colonel Moises Villasiran. Ito po yung ating police attaché sa Washington. In-identify ng Washington Police po based on documents lang po. Meaning po, yung pagkakakilanlan nila is unofficial. Ang sinasabi po nila dun sa Estados Unidos, magiging official lamang po siya kapag dumating na po yung kanyang kin, particular po yung kanyang asawa, si Miss Rio, upang kilalanin o i-identify po yung cadaver po. Ngayon ay tinutulungan po ng PNP yung kanyang asawa, si Miss Rio Malabed. Inaayos na po nila yung pagbili ng ticket, papunta po ng US at asikasuhin po siya pagdating niya ron ng ating mga police attaché. We extend our deepest condolences to his bereaved family, loved ones, and colleagues. The PNP is committed to providing them with all necessary support during this difficult time. As we grieve this tragic event, we also honor the dedication and sacrifice of Police Colonel Malabed. His contributions to the PNP and the nation will never be forgotten. May he rest in peace. Thank you.